Ready to level up your cybersecurity game? Here are 10 brand new ethical hacking tools in Kali Linux 2026 you need to know about. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Always use these tools responsibly and within the law. Kali Linux 2026 is packed with powerful, intelligent tools, AI, automation, and more. We're breaking down the top 10 new additions that every red and blue teamer should know. We'll cover what each tool does and why it's a game changer. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about ShadowScan. Imagine it as Nmap's stealthier, more intelligent cousin, built for the next generation of cyber operations. While traditional scanners are powerful, ShadowScan takes things to a whole new level of subtlety and sophistication. It's engineered for ultra-quiet network vulnerability scanning, seamlessly blending into normal traffic patterns to avoid raising any alarms or suspicion from even the most vigilant defenders. ShadowScan's adaptive engine doesn't just scan, it actively learns the unique rhythms of your network, mimics them perfectly, and randomizes scan intervals to make detection nearly impossible. By using fragmented packets, decoy scans, and advanced timing techniques, ShadowScan stays virtually invisible, slipping past most intrusion detection systems with ease. For red teamers, this means you can perform longer, more detailed reconnaissance without being noticed. For blue teamers, it's a wake-up call to start hunting for the most subtle and sophisticated threats. ShadowScan forces defenders to move beyond basic alerts and dig deeper, analyzing for faint, stealthy scans that would otherwise go undetected in the noise. Try running it in your own lab environment. See firsthand what your detection systems might be missing, and challenge yourself to spot the invisible. ShadowScan is a must-have tool for anyone serious about stealthy penetration testing, red teaming, or advanced cyber defense. It raises the bar for both attackers and defenders, pushing everyone to up their game in the ongoing cyber battle. Explore ShadowScan in Kali 2026. Experiment with its features and put your own detection skills to the ultimate test. The future of stealth scanning is here, and it's evolving fast. Don't get left behind. Embrace the next level of cyber operations with ShadowScan. Number 2 on our list is PhishGuard, a powerful tool designed to revolutionize how organizations defend against phishing attacks. PhishGuard is your all-in-one phishing simulation and training platform, built to empower both IT teams and everyday users. It goes far beyond just email. PhishGuard lets you simulate phishing attempts through SMS, voice calls, and instant messages on popular platforms like Slack and Teams, covering every angle where threats might appear. With a library of up-to-date templates that closely mimic real-world phishing lures, you can test your team against the latest tactics used by cyber criminals. Easily launch targeted campaigns, clone convincing websites, and track exactly who clicks or submits credentials, giving you deep insight into your organization's vulnerabilities. The comprehensive analytics dashboard pinpoints precisely where your human firewall is weakest, so you know where to focus your training efforts. If someone falls for a simulated phish, they're instantly redirected to interactive, scenario-based training, helping them learn from their mistakes in real time. PhishGuard automates social engineering tests, schedules regular campaigns, and delivers actionable metrics to help you track progress over time. It's the perfect solution for building measurable, resilient user awareness and fostering a culture of security throughout your organization. Security professionals and organizations can now test, train, and continuously improve their defenses, all in one seamless platform. With PhishGuard, you can turn user awareness into a real, trackable metric, making it easy to demonstrate progress to stakeholders. PhishGuard is quickly becoming the new standard for social engineering defense, trusted by organizations worldwide. Don't just hope your team is ready, prove it with real-world simulations and detailed reporting. Try PhishGuard out in Kali 2026 and take your phishing defense to the next level. Third is CryptoCrack 2026, the next-gen password auditing tool. It supports the latest, most complex algorithms, including post-quantum cryptography. Test and stress new quantum-resistant hashes before they're mainstream. Its hybrid attack mode combines dictionary, brute force, and machine learning for smarter cracking. Hardware acceleration now includes GPUs and FPGAs for insane speeds. Hyper-optimized for modern hardware, it cracks hashes faster than ever. Show your team why weak passwords are a risk, with real evidence. CryptoCrack 2026 is your go-to for future-proof password security. Number 4 is StealthSniff, the ultimate passive network analysis tool. It captures and analyzes traffic without sending a single packet, completely invisible. Identify protocols and reassemble sessions, even on non-standard ports. Its credential harvesting module flags clear text usernames and passwords. Run StealthSniff on your network for a reality check. See what attackers could see. Find and fix insecure protocols before someone else does. StealthSniff turns passive listening into actionable security insights. At number 5, VulnHunt AI brings artificial intelligence to vulnerability scanning. It uses machine learning to find both known and zero-day flaws, not just signatures. VulnHunt AI actively fuzzes applications and recognizes vulnerability patterns. Its exploit path prediction chains low-severity bugs into critical attack paths. Automate tedious discovery and focus on creative, complex exploits. It's not magic. Human expertise is still needed, but it's a massive force multiplier. VulnHunt AI is the future of automated, intelligent security testing. Get ahead of the curve with this tool in Kali 2026. Number 6 is WebStrike, the next-gen web app pen testing suite. It maps out every page, parameter, and API endpoint, interacting with forms and sessions. Automated modules test for SQLI, XSS, CSRF, and more, using context-aware payloads. Handles complex session management and anti-CSRF tokens automatically. Generates detailed reports with evidence for every finding. WebStrike finds the common bugs fast, so you can focus on advanced testing. It's a must-have for anyone doing web app security. Streamline your workflow and boost your results. WebStrike is web pen testing evolved. Number 7 is BlueSpy, your Bluetooth and BLE security toolkit. Discover, fingerprint, and interact with Bluetooth devices, active or passive. Enumerate services, read, write characteristics, and test for vulnerabilities. Brute force legacy pins, sniff unencrypted BLE traffic, and launch denial-of-service tests. BlueSpy consolidates wireless hacking into one powerful interface, essential for IoT, hardware, and product security testing. Assess smart devices, wearables, and more for real-world risks. BlueSpy expands your attack surface beyond the wired network. Wireless security just got a major upgrade. Number 8 is ShellForge, the ultimate custom shell payload generator. Create reverse and bind shells for Windows, Linux, and macOS across multiple languages. Evade antivirus and EDR with polymorphic, obfuscated payloads. Choose staged or stageless shells for stealth and flexibility. Memory-only execution helps bypass disk-based detection. Generate, test, and deploy custom payloads in seconds. When you need a reliable shell, ShellForge delivers. Don't risk detection with generic payloads, go custom. ShellForge is a must for every serious pen tester. Turn that foothold into full access fast. Number 9 is PacketPhantom, the advanced packet crafting and spoofing tool. Visual Editor lets you tweak every protocol layer, no hex skills needed. Craft, replay, and manipulate packet sequences for deep testing. Simulate entire network segments, perform ARP poisoning, and automate attacks with Python scripting. Perfect for testing firewalls, IDS, and network stacks. Not for beginners, this is a tool for true network pros. PacketPhantom gives you total control over network traffic. Push your network analysis to the next level, too. Rounding out the list is ReconXplorer, the all-in-one recon automation tool designed for cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers alike. With ReconXplorer, you can automate both passive and active reconnaissance, quickly uncovering subdomains, emails, leaked documents, and a wide range of other critical information. Effortlessly brute force subdomains, scan open ports, and even capture screenshots of every discovered site for detailed analysis. All your findings are correlated in a powerful visual graph database, making it easy to connect the dots and extract actionable intelligence from complex data sets. Instantly visualize relationships between domains, IP addresses, and services, so you can spot vulnerabilities and opportunities at a glance. ReconXplorer transforms overwhelming amounts of raw data into a clear, interactive attack map, helping you prioritize your next moves. Begin every engagement with a comprehensive overview of your target's digital footprint, ensuring nothing is missed. Save countless hours of tedious manual reconnaissance, allowing you to focus on high-level strategy and creative problem-solving. Think of ReconXplorer as your digital recon specialist, always working in the background to gather and organize intelligence. Map the entire battlefield before you launch your attack and gain the upper hand in every penetration test or security assessment. That's 10 game-changing tools in Kali Linux 2026. From stealth scans to AI-driven vulnerability hunting, the future of cybersecurity is here. Get hands-on, set up a lab, experiment, and master these tools. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ethical hacking content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.